If you've ever wanted an easy way to keep important files handy and accessible across your devices, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to securely save files to your Telegram cloud using the Saved Messages feature. By the end of this video, you'll know how to upload, easily organize, and access your files from any phone, tablet, or computer, wherever you're signed into Telegram. Let's get started right away. First up, you'll want to open the Telegram app on your device. Whether you're using it on your phone, your desktop, or even in your web browser, you'll find a special chat right at the top of your chat list called Saved Messages. This isn't a chat with another person. Think of it like your personal filing cabinet in Telegram. It's a private space only visible to you, where you can send messages, reminders, notes, and most importantly, files you want to keep safe and revisit later. Now, to save a file, there are a couple of options. If you're on your mobile device, tap the attachment icon. It usually looks like a little paperclip down at the bottom of the chat screen. From here, you can select the file you have stored on your phone, such as a document, photo, or video. Maybe you just downloaded a PDF you want to keep, or you snapped a quick photo of something important. Select the file and send it right into Saved Messages. Another great tip here: if you see a message or file in another chat that you want to save, just tap and hold that message, select Forward, and choose Saved Messages as the recipient. This is super helpful if your friends or coworkers send you attachments you don't want to lose in the shuffle of busy group chats. On Telegram's desktop or web version, it's just as easy, maybe even easier. You can simply drag and drop a file right into your Saved Messages chat window. If drag and drop isn't your style, just click the paperclip staple up near the message bar, choose your files, and off they go, uploaded directly into your private Telegram cloud. Take your time picking the right files. Don't worry if the upload takes a few moments for larger files. Once you've sent your files, something magical happens. Telegram automatically syncs them to its secure cloud storage linked to your account. What this means is you can open Telegram on any other device where you're logged in, maybe your work computer or a new phone, and all those saved files will be right there in Saved Messages, ready whenever you need them. No manual copying or emailing required. Now, a few quick tips so you get the most out of Telegram's cloud. Each standard Telegram account lets you store files up to 2 GB in size for free, which covers most documents, music, or even longer videos. But if you regularly need to save even larger files, up to 4 GB each, and enjoy unlimited cloud storage, there's also the option to upgrade to Telegram Premium. Something to think about if you're a true file hoarder or you share a lot of media. And here's something that has saved me countless hours. You can search within your Saved Messages chat just like you would any conversation. Need that one particular PDF your boss sent you 6 months ago? Simply type a keyword, and Telegram will pull up matching messages, files, or even specific media types in seconds. So that's how you can use Telegram to reliably store and access your files in the cloud from anywhere at any time. Give this a try, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues or if you have your own clever ways to organize files in Telegram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, ask your questions below, and hit that subscribe button for more practical step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching and happy saving.